Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the types of skin and dermatomes. So first we'll see the types of skin. We have the thin skin and the thick skin. Here you are seeing the diagram that shows the thin skin and thick skin. So what are the differences we are spotting? There is no hair follicle. Hair follicle is there only in the thin skin. Okay, right? And there is no stratum, lucidum, granulosum, all this we cannot see. Okay, and let's try to identify some more differences. And there are a number of sweat glands here you are seeing. Okay, and there is no hair follicle in the thick, only in the thin skin you are finding the hair follicle. Okay, so this is just in brief what the diagram is. Okay, we'll see the differences now in detail. So first we'll see about the epidermis, the ridges, hair follicles, sebaceous and sweat glands, sensory nerve endings and crescents. Epidermis. From the name itself you can get the answer: thin skin, thick skin. Thin skin means it will be thin, thick means it will be thick. That's all. And another difference in this about the layers. Stratum, corneum and lucidum. We will deal only two layers. Accordingly, it is thin, thick, okay? And stratum lucidum is present only in thick, okay? Next, friction ridges is present only in thick. Hair follicles only in thin, T-H-I-N, thin, okay? Sebaceous glands only in thin. Sweat glands and sebaceous glands are more in the thick skin. Where you are finding each of them? Thin you are finding in all over the body, except the palms and soles. In the palms and soles you are finding the thick skin. See now, see here all this hair you are observing. This is all your thin skin. Okay, thick skin will be in the palm and it will be the palm and the sole of the foot. Here you will find the thick skin. Okay. Now dermatomes in brief. We have the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral dermatomes. What you are seeing in the yellow color is the cervical. What you are seeing in the green color, thoracic, pink color, lumbar, violet color, sacral. Okay, these are all the dermatomes in brief. The references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.